Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to get some beautiful holiday vases just using food coloring. Now let me just clean off this jar before we get started. I'm gonna get some rubbing alcohol. Just make sure you get all the dust off of the glass. Okay, for this project we'll be using food coloring, just a normal food coloring. I'll be using the red, and I'll be using some clear school glue, and I'll also be using some silver glitter. This is the very fine silver glitter. Let me get to mixing up the mixture that I'll be using. Now for the glue, we'll be using about half of a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon. Now I'm gonna put about 4 or 5, I would say about 5 drops of the red food coloring. Six. And now I'll be adding some water. I'll add about this cup full of water. And I'm going to sprinkle in some of the silver glitter. You can put however much you want. Okay, this is what the mixture looks like. So now I'm gonna get my jar, my vase. Well, this is actually a Patron bottle that I'm repurposing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna swirl this around very slowly until you have all of the bottle covered on the inside. This is what it looks like. So I'll just set it out to dry. I will come back and we'll see what it looks like. Now this is what it looks like. I think it turned out nicely. But the glitter is not too visible. You have to look very closely under the light to see the glitters on the inside. I guess if you put some lighting on the inside of the jar, the glitter would show up much better. Now these are intended only for decorative purposes. They are not food safe. I made 2 others. Let me show you. I made a smaller jar, and this is a medium size. Now you can use these to decorate your tiered trays. You can use them as small vases or to hold small items that you'll be decorating with. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, and I hope it was helpful, and I hope that you'll try using some of your wasted jars, empty jars, and do something useful for the holidays. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.